Now, did you know that 86% of middle income families expect for the price of goods to continue to go up? 42% of American adults, or around 102 million people, report needing life insurance or more coverage. Collectively, our consumers are $1.12 trillion in credit card debt. Now, doesn't that spell a financial earthquake to you? And that's only if we do nothing at all and continue to live life without any game plan whatsoever. Hmm. Everyone's loading up on cleaning supplies, especially around April, right? To get into that vigorous spring cleaning.